What up, Battle? Welcome to my shop. I'm Old 64. Today, we're going to be doing some interior work on my Bullnose truck. Let's hit up the shop and see what's up. Here we are at the workbench. And like I told you, I'm going to go ahead and do some interior repairs on my Bullnose truck today. I've showed you pictures of the interior on my 71 Oldsmobile before. And it looks pretty good for the car show. I actually had somebody redo the interior because I am not competent enough to do it myself. But we're going to go ahead and get this repair done today. And we're going to fix a small hole in the bench seat on the driver's side and hopefully nip it in the bud so that it doesn't become worse. So I got some iron-on patches here from the international shopping website. You know the one. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and do a little bit of a modification, and then we're going to go out to the truck and do the repair. Get the sticker off. And it's just different adhesive patches. Of course, the interior on my Bullnose truck is red. So I'll need this one. And that's the adhesive part that you activate with an iron, a clothes iron. Now I was going to use a quarter. My battle buddy George Washington was going to help me out. And I was going to cut a round section out of this patch, but I did a double take, and I think it needs to be a little bit bigger than a quarter. So here's a veteran's coin that I generally carry around in my pocket. Essential Tremors makes it a little bit difficult to use a blade, but with a little bit of care, I can get it done. Let's see what we got here, Battle. Instead of cutting my hand open with a shop knife, I'll go ahead and use this pencil and make a mark. There we go. We got a mark on there. Go ahead and use my scissors. Daggum. That's Essential Tremor for you. Looks like we have a patch that we can put on the seat. You can use the iron to adhere it, and then I will run a stitch along the outside. So let's go ahead and go over to the truck and get this put on to the seat. So Battle, here's the hole that started. It's pretty good for a truck that's over 35 years old. The interior is pretty meticulous. The odometer says 40,000 miles, and I've only put probably 1,000 miles on it. I think it's 140,000. It's just a well-maintained truck. Of course, you know about the dents and dings on the outside. We're going to use the patch and adhere it right there, and I think it'll be good. Now, one thing we want to do is have a clean towel ready so that the iron doesn't go directly on the surface of the seat. Since we're doing it sort of cockeyed, Battle, I'm going to go ahead and use some General Craft glue and put it on the back just so I can position my patch. Got my hot iron, not on steam. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 60. All right, Battle. I think that's pretty good. You could just leave it adhered, but I'm going to go ahead and use a needle and thread and run a stitch around the outside It's okay, Battle. I'm an Eagle Scout. And, of course, Needlecraft was one of the 5 original industrial arts, so we don't have to worry. It's not sissy, it's for my Bullnose truck. As long as the guy with the red beard doesn't find out about it, I think we'll be okay. All right, Battle. Gave it some time to cool down. My iron's still hot. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Of course, it's made for clothes, and we can't iron the backside of it. I guess I could take the seat cover off, but that would probably cause more problems than it's worth. So it's on there. All right, Battle, this is going to be difficult. I might not be able to do it. I might have to get Mama to do it. My tremors are pretty bad. A widget so that you can thread the needle. I don't know if you can tell, Battle, but there's some thread. I think we know who the man is. How about that? I think we know who the man is right here. Well, I dropped the threading widget, but I got the thread through the eye of the needle. And Essential was going to be like, oh, you're not going to be able to do it. Denied. I did it. Daggum. Almost got myself. Don't have to worry though. I'm not bleeding. What was it? Rambo First Blood. He falls off a cliff and gets beat up, and then he stitches himself up. It's the same thing. Needlecraft does not have to be sissy. Oh, sorry, Battle. Great. 2 more stitches. I think I'll be good, Battle. It's only been about 20 minutes. So I think I'm making good progress. I almost stabbed myself. Be careful, old 64. Well, it's not the work of a master tailor, Battle, but I fixed it before it came worse. There we go. One more stitch, and then I'm going to tie it off, Battle. I made it all the way around. All right, Battle. Well, there it is. I had to get help from Mama 64 to finish it off, but I think it's better than a whole. Well, Battle, what do you think? Like I said earlier in the video, I'm not skilled enough to redo the entire interior in my Bullnose Ford truck, but I'm glad that I got that repair done. Do you think I should have just gotten a Mossy Oak or Hello Kitty seat cover and put it over the bench seat in my Bullnose Ford truck? Let me know in the comments down below. Please consider liking and subscribing with the notification bell on, and I'll see you next time, Battle.